Assalamu alaikum. My name is Anisha Galado. I am a student of University of Sindh and my roll number is at 2K170 B.Ed Elementary 84. My presentation topic is planning and managing co-curriculum of activities assigned by Sir Lukman. So first of all, planning and managing of the co-curriculum activities introduction. Co-curriculum activities are those activities which are arranged inside and outside of the school to achieve certain object. Now, meaning of the co-curriculum activities. Co-curriculum activities is earlier known as the extracurricular activities or the components of the non-academic curriculum that helps to develop various facts of the personality development of the child and student. For all around development of the child, there is need for emotional, physical, spiritual, and the moral development that is the complement and the supplement by co-curriculum activities. Now I define the definition of co-curriculum activities. All the activities which are arranged inside or outside of the schools to achieve the certain object are called the co-curricular activities. Now definition of planning. According to Canzone and the Donald define, planning is deciding in advance what to do, how to do, when to do it, and who is to do it. Definition of management. Management is the process designing and the maintaining an environment in which individuals working together in the groups efficiently selected M. Example of co-curriculum activities. First of all, sport, musical activities, debates, model, arts, music, drama, and story writing competition. Essay writing competition, art craft, wall decoration, magazine decoration, folk song, folk dance, flower showing, school decoration, etc. Now, objective of the co-curricular activities. First of all, to learn and understand the significance of co-curricular activities. Number two, to introduce and differentiate the type of co-curricular activities. Number three, co-curricular activities make the use of spare time in better way. Number four, they make the students physical and mental healthy. Number five, they create leadership among students. Number six, they create the quality of teamwork. Number seven, these activities are useful to make the challenges of society. Number seven, these activities are important to implement the strategies to overcome the difficulties to organizing the activities. Now, role of the teacher in organizing co-curricular activities. Number one, the teacher must be good planner so that the different activities could be carried out systemically throughout the year. It should be to duty of the teacher to give more and more opportunities for the children while performing co-curricular activities. The teacher should act as an involunteer by the introducing some innovative programs. The teacher must be good organizer so that the students express a maximum of it. He should to act like director, recorder, manager, motivator, communicator, coordinator, so that the students and children could gain a maximum of finer aspects of co-curricular activities. Now, role of the co-curricular activities in students' life. It helps to develop all around personality of the students to face the understand task and turbulent word of the future experience and Accolders gain through many of these activities help during the internships and other school suspense work program. The aim of co-curricular activities is to make the students fit for the future time and to develop a sense of competitive spirit, cooperation, leadership, etc. Extracurriculars for school students are a means to enhance social interaction, leadership, healthy reaction, self-discipline, and the self-confidence. In today's competitive world, percentage make a lot of difference during the admission into the various courses, such as the students give the preference as the compared to the non-practice. These may make a difference when the students are considered for the most popular course. When students in the early teens are given some responsibility like giving first aid, they acquire a sense of responsibility. Some tasks require the presence management and the organization, and such activities provide training to prepare students for the outside world. Physical activities like running, football, etc. help not only in the physical fitness, they also refresh the burdened mind. Now, importance of co-curricular activities. Looking at the list, various type of the activities. Number one, educational values, physical value, development of social values, development of civic values, and physical development values, and cultural values. Now, types of co-curricular activities. Number one, aesthetic activities like drawing, painting, music, and the chart making, and culture activities, religion activities, folk festival, international integration activities, celebration, national days, educational days, and historical place in the countries. Literary activities, debates, lecture, and the library work. Productional activities, gardening, toy making, modeling. Physical development activities, swimming, cycling. Now, list of the outdoor co-curricular activities. Number one, mace drill, yoga, bicycling, authentic gardening, cricket, football, basketball, volleyball, kabaddi, etc. Now, list of indoor activities co-curricular. Now, first of all, music and dance, drawing and painting, decoration and book binding, cupboard work, leather work, organizing school, student, self-government, art and craft. Now, routine activities, morning assembly, school magazine, sport and games, literary activities, competition, exercise. Now, co-curricular activities advantages. Co-curricular activities can provide students with a lot of interesting and important experience outside of the traditional school. There are many advantages to involvement on co-curriculum activities, including allowing students to explore strength and talent outside of academics. Number two, helping students develop stronger time management and organization skill, teaching the importance of following through and communicate. Help to build confidence and self-assistance. Provide a way to keep students supervised outside of the school, challenging their energies in positive direction rather than towards drug or crime. Building skills that are not necessarily taught in the classroom but are still important for the future. Looking good on a school transcript or a college application. Now, scope of co-curriculum activities. Number one, the scope of co-curriculum activities is a wide due to a nearly list of interest. Some of the major group include computer club, art club, dance club, swimming, basketball, and photography club. Uniform group include DED. Now, co-curriculum activities are held outside standard co-curriculum hours, and activities depend on the nature of co-curriculum activities. For example, uniform groups to foot drill and team building exercise, while competitive sportsmen spend most of the time training and learning techniques for their instruction. In the first year, the students are required to pick one or the more interest groups to join. While the choice available to students differ from school to school, there are nationally requirements for the different levels of education. Now, conclusion. By discussing all these areas relating to those activities, it seems necessary to introduce these activities in the school. These activities should be arranged in district level, provincial level, and nation level. We can build our nation into disciplined and competent people. Head of the instruction and teacher should select type and topic co-curriculum activities. Thank you.